How to create a new Instagram account. Open the Instagram app, and on the login screen, tap Create New Account at the bottom. Now you'll get two options. You can sign up using your phone number or your email address. Choose whichever you prefer, then enter the details and tap Next. Instagram will send you a code on your email or phone, so just enter that code to verify. And now you'll be asked to create a password. Make sure it's strong and easy for you to remember. On the next screen, select your date of birth. Just keep in mind, if your age is detected as under 18, Instagram may create a teen account, which comes with some restrictions, so choose accordingly. After that, tap Next, then enter your full name. Now, you'll need to create a username. Type any name you want, and if you see a green tick, that means it's available. Then accept Instagram's terms and policies by tapping I agree. As soon as you do that, your account will be created and you can start using Instagram right away.